Cambridge Primary Mathematics, Learner's Book 4. Measuring capacity. Let's investigate. I had a 900 milliliters jug of juice. I poured all of the juice into 5 glasses. 900 milliliters. Vocabulary. L. Liter, a standard. Nit. Measure of capacity. ml. Milliliter, 1/1000th of a liter. 10,000. Half of the juice was shared equally between glass A and glass B. The other half of the juice was shared equally between glasses C, D and E. How much juice was in each glass? Start by working out half of 900 milliliters. 1. These drinks are sold in 1-liter bottles. Each bottle must be full. Work out how much is needed of the last ingredient for each drink. Strawberry sparkle. Melon medley. Strawberry juice 230 milliliters. Apple juice. Pear fizz %%. 350 milliliters. Melon juice. 460 milliliters. Pear juice. 360 milliliters. Lemonade. Mango juice 280 milliliters. Apple juice. 240 milliliters. Apple juice. Lemonade. Banana cream. Mashed. Tropical breeze. Bananas. 560 milliliters. 270 milliliters. Milk 350 milliliters. Sugar syrup. Guava pineapple 380 milliliters. 0. Papaya. 0. Starry night. Star fruit 480 milliliters. Melon juice 480 meters. Lime juice. 92. Unit 3B. Core activity 21.1. Measuring capacity. 2. Look carefully at the measuring cylinder. No renatalados. ml. A. 100. 80. B. 60. 40. C. 20. D. E. Opening parenthesis. A. How much does each large line on the scale show? Opening parenthesis. B. How much does each small line on the scale show? Opening parenthesis. C. Read the scale for the points shown by the arrows. Capacity, length and mass. Let's investigate capacity. Simone had a pencil measuring 16 centimeters long and it weighed 4 grams. Beatrice had a similar pencil and hers measured 8 centimeters. How much do you think it weighed? IV. Nicole also had a similar pencil. It weighed 3 grams. How long do you think it was? 1. Class 4 have been doing lots of measuring. Here are some of the things they have measured. Vocabulary. M. Meter, a standard measure of length. cm. Centimeter, 1/100th of a meter. mm. Millimeter, 1/1000th of a meter. G. Gram, a standard measure of mass. mg. Milligram, 1/1000th of a gram. Kilogram. Kilogram, 1000 grams. Sophie. My. Each object had a label showing the measurement that class 4 had made, but the labels fell off. ZD. 3.51. 3.5 meters. 76. S. 559. 1.2 meters. 0. 5 milliliters. 1.2 kilograms. With a partner, work out which label went with each object. Height of the bookcase. Equals. Capacity of the saucepan Sophie's handspan equals. Weight of the globe equals. Equals. Capacity of a teaspoon. Weight of a chess piece. Length of string. Equals. Question mark. Question mark. Equals. 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 Question mark. Question mark. Question mark. Capacity of a washing up bowl equals. Weight of a hairbrush. Equals. Question mark. 2. Choose one of these questions and plan how you would investigate it with a partner or group. Opening parenthesis. A. What length of string weighs 10 grams? Opening parenthesis. B. How much water weighs 200 grams? Opening parenthesis. C. How much water do you have to put into a bucket for it to measure 10 centimeters deep? 14 centimeters. Measuring time. Let's investigate. You have two sand timers. One is a 5-minute timer. The other is a 7-minute timer. Find a way to measure. 12 minutes, 15 minutes, 2 minutes. 9 minutes and 3 minutes. Vocabulary. Second. A standard unit of time. There are 60 seconds in 1 minute. The timing does not have to start when the first sand timer is turned over. One with a partner, use a timer to find out. Opening parenthesis. A. How long it takes to write your name 10 times. Opening parenthesis. B. How long it takes to say the alphabet backwards. Opening parenthesis. C. How long it takes to say the 9x table. 6 children have run a 100 meters sprint race. Time in seconds. Name. Leah. Isabel. Natasha. Bethan. Anya. Charlotte. 16. 15. 13. 18. 17. 15. Opening parenthesis. A. Who won the race? Opening parenthesis. B. Write the names in order of where the girls came in the race. Start with the fastest. Opening parenthesis. C. How many seconds faster was Charlotte than Bethan? 3. These clocks all show the wrong time. What time should each clock show? Answer using digital clock notation. Opening parenthesis. A. 11. 12. 10. 1. 5. Opening parenthesis. B. This clock is 10 minutes slow. 10. 11. 12. 1. Opening parenthesis. C. 6. This clock is 5 minutes fast. -9. 10. 12. 11. 2. 3. Opening parenthesis. D. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. This clock is 15 minutes fast. $10. 11. 12. 1. 2. 3. 8. 7. 5. 6. This clock is half an hour slow. Calculating time. Let's investigate. I looked at the clock reflected in the mirror when I left the house. I looked at the clock in the mirror again when I got home. What were the real times? Try looking at the pictures in a mirror. Street, street, me, or, e, 8, 8, a, gamma, the time when I left the house. The time when I get home. Bus A, Sunday bus B, Ortown, New City, bus C, bus D, bus E, bus F, Ortown, 9:18 a.m., 10:38 a.m., 12:28 p.m., 2:18 p.m., 3:38 p.m., 5:28 p.m., Riverton, 9:53 a.m., 11:13 a.m., 1:03 p.m., 2:53 p.m., 4:13 p.m., 6:03 p.m., Hilbury, 10:23 a.m., 11:43 a.m., 1:33 p.m., 3:23 p.m., 4:43 p.m., 6:33 p.m., Colville, 10:56 a.m., 12:16 p.m., 2:06 p.m., 3:56 p.m., 5:16 p.m., 7:06 p.m., New City, 11:38 a.m., 12:58 p.m., 2:48 p.m., 4:38 p.m., 5:58 p.m., 7:48 p.m., Sunday, New City, or Town. Bus G, Bus H, Bus I, Bus J, Bus K, Bus L. New City. 10:40 a.m. 12:00 p.m. 1:50 p.m. 3:40 p.m. 5:00 p.m. 6:50 p.m. Colville. 11:22 a.m. 12:42 p.m. 2:32 p.m. 4:22 p.m. 5:42 p.m. 7:32 p.m. Hilbury. 11:55 a.m. 1:15 p.m. 3:05 p.m. 4:55 p.m. 6:15 p.m. 8:05 p.m. Riverton. 12:25 p.m. 1:45 p.m. 3:35 p.m. 5:25 p.m. 6:45 p.m. 8:35 p.m. Ortown. 1:00 p.m. 2:20 p.m. 4:10 p.m. 6:00 p.m. 7:20 p.m. 9:10 p.m. 1 Michael lives in Riverton. He is visiting his aunt in New City this Sunday. He wants to see his aunt for at least 2 hours and get home before 7 p.m. At which different times might he catch buses? 2 At his aunt's house, Michael looks at his watch. 10, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 8, 6, 2. How long will it be until the next bus leaves New City? 3 Michael decided to catch bus K on the way home. He looks at his watch again. 9, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 12, 2. How long will it be before he gets to his stop? 4 The bus company are planning another bus from New City to Ortown. It will leave New City at 9:50 a.m. If it takes the same time to do the journey as the other buses, when will it arrive at each stop? Area and perimeter. Let's investigate. This rectangle has been made from 1 centimeter squares. The end has broken off. Draw 3 different rectangles that might have been this rectangle before it was broken. Label each rectangle with the area and perimeter. The rectangle must have a width of 3 centimeters. The length must be at least 4 centimeters. 1. Area puzzle. Start. Finish. Opening parenthesis. A. Start on the orange rectangle at the top left. Move through the design from rectangle to rectangle so that the next rectangle you move to has an area larger than the previous one. Find a path through the rectangles that finishes at the purple rectangle at the bottom right. Opening parenthesis. B. Is it possible to find a path by only moving to rectangles with a longer perimeter than the previous one? 2. These are the first 3 shapes in a sequence. The shapes are made using 1 centimeter squares. First, second, third. Opening parenthesis. A. Describe how the shape is changing. Opening parenthesis. B. Draw the 4th and 5th shapes in the sequence. Opening parenthesis. C. For each shape work out the perimeter and area. Copy and complete the table. Opening parenthesis. D. Predict what the area and perimeter for the 6th shape might be. Draw the 6th shape to check. Shape. Area perimeter. First. 6 square centimeters. 10 centimeters. Second. Third. Fourth. Fifth. 3 Each of these shapes is a square with 1 centimeter square missing from the corner. First. Second. Opening parenthesis. A. Describe how the shape is changing. Opening parenthesis. B. Draw the 4th and 5th shapes in the sequence. Opening parenthesis. C. For each shape work out the perimeter and area. Copy and complete the table. D. Predict what the area and perimeter for the 6th shape might be. Draw the 6th shape to check. Third. Shape. Area. Perimeter first. 3 square centimeters, 8 centimeters, second, third, fourth, fifth,